Would you like to get more leads without having to use paid media or having to pay for it? Today I'm going to share with you 4 different ways that you can actually get more leads without using paid media. Hey, it's Jesse Eker, and today I want to share with you how we can get more leads into your business so that you can make more sales, get more opportunities to share your message and make more of an impact in this world. Because you're solving problems for people, you're providing solutions, and we need to get your service or your product out into the world. And so we need to figure out, how do we get more people to see what we're doing, right? But one of the things that people always say is like, you gotta pay for your traffic, you gotta use all these different ads and paid media, and you don't, right? There's lots of different ways that you can. So today I'm going to talk about 4 ways that you can use to actually not have to pay for traffic, but it's actually going to bring you lots of different leads. So the first way that I want to share with you is one of my favorites, and it's affiliates and partnerships. Now, what does this mean? Well, here's the deal. There's a lot of people that have problems with their business or their life or what's going on, and your clients have lots of different problems, and they also probably use a lot of different services. They probably use a lot of different tools and software. Well, if that means that your clients are already using that software or those tools, that means that that tool or software probably has more of your clients. So a great way for you to get more leads for your business is to approach what your client is already using and ask if we can create a win-win deal together. And you get in front of their clients and then you send them clients as well. You can create a win-win partnership. This way, you don't have to pay for any of the leads, but you do pay when someone buys. And that's called an affiliate fee or referral fee, right? And so this is the easiest way for you to get paid on performance, because now you don't have to pay for a lead or pay for impressions of just getting your message out there. You only pay when someone buys your product. Talk about a freaking win. So affiliates and partnerships is one of my favorite ways to use different sources of other people's audiences that they've already built for you to tap into that and get in front of those people, share your message to a broader group of people much quicker. So affiliates and partnerships is number 1 and one of the fastest ways to actually grow your business, but also grow your income at the same time. All right, so that's number 1. Number 2, these are the people that you already work with. These are your clients, these are your customers. This is what we call word of mouth marketing. It doesn't cost you anything to talk to your current clients, talk to your past clients, talk to even your prospects and say, hey, do you know anyone else who would be a good fit for my business, my service, my product? How can I incentivize you to do this? If you're not doing this already, you're missing out. Period. End of story. This is free intel, free leads, free opportunities for you, other people to refer people to you. You don't have to go out and do everything yourself. You want to use the people that are already using your service, having great success, or big fans of what you do. Let them help spread the message for you. So number 2 is using referrals and word of mouth marketing, which again is one of the strongest ways that we can actually build our business, because if you have one person and then they refer 2 people, and those 2 people, then they each refer 2 people, and those 4 people then refer those 2 people, you compound your success, right? So if you have a great system for how you get referrals, you're gonna get amazing results in your business. So that's the second way for you to get some free leads without paying for it. Number 3, this is what we call outbound. And this is where you can actually use some sort of service that provides lists of people for you to reach out to people. You could manually reach out to these people, through email, through phone call, through Messenger, whether it's Instagram, LinkedIn, or Facebook, even YouTube. You can actually reach out to all these different people and talk to them. Now, who do you want to start with? Well, on social media, you have connections, you have followers, you have friends. These are great places to even start. You don't need to get new leads. You can work with the existing ones. Or if you want to get new ones, you can get different lists. They have different providers that provide lists for you to reach out to, either email, cold email, or even phone call. Now, at a certain point, you're going to be like, this is taking a lot of information. So what you can do is you can pay someone to do this for you. And then you have people then doing this for you, and you don't have to do it. So think about who you're already connected to, because there's a very interesting stat that you're already connected to enough people to make at least 6 figures in your business. Are you connecting with enough people? Are you talking to all the people you're connected to? Or are you so focused on the new people that you're forgetting about the people that you're already tapped into? Focus on the people you're tapped into already and reach out to those people and watch as you get more people to understand what you do, who you do it with, and maybe they refer you to someone else, or maybe they actually want to work with you as well. And number four is what we call earned media. This is where you're actually using social networks like YouTube or like Facebook or other platforms to actually get your message out in front of them using their free platform. Now, the drawback is it takes a long time, it takes a lot of effort, your stuff has to be really, really good to be effective. There's a lot of competition. But if you're one of those people that really wants to make sure that you get your message in front of more people and you want to use the platforms that are out there, earned media is a great way to do this. On top of that, you can go out and pitch your story, your information, what you do to publishers like Forbes, like Entrepreneur, like different magazines out there that do publishing online. Here's the thing, publishers, which are these like magazines online, they're looking for content. And if you have content, you provide a solution to them. So they're always looking for new ideas, new stories, and new things that they can run with, and you can be the solution for them. So you can either reach out to these people and get earned media being published, like free PR, or you can use these social media platforms to make it work for you and do the whole social networking as well. All of those 4 ways are different ways for you to blow up your business in a good way. Get more leads, talk to more people, get your message out for more people, and build a bigger audience. Which of the 4 are you gonna use? Which of the 4 are you gonna focus on? Please don't say all of them, because that's one of the biggest mistakes I see is focusing on too many. Pick and choose which one works best for you. Thanks for watching this video. I appreciate your time, I appreciate your attention, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.